Alright, so we're going to continue talking about at Toyota, everyone is a problem solver. So we ended it talking about you get two for the price of one. For this work, when we're trying to do continuous improvement on the floor, engineers and pilot teams create initial standards learning from past problems. That's what we do here. Work teams work to standard and detect deviations from standards. Work teams contain disruptions to the production. Then the work team root cause problem solving improves standards, and then broader problem solving to the level up system. So then they bring it up back to the engineers, so when they're doing another one, they're ready to go. So engineers getting input from people working in the process, doing the best job they can to set up the process by solving past problems. Team members on the floor need to see deviations from the standard with help from visual management. 3. A process for immediate containment of any problems so defects cannot be passed on to later process or to be compounded. 4. A process to reflect on the problems that have occurred over a period of time and through root cause problem solving establish long-term countermeasures. More frequent reflection means more problems being solved before they can continue to do damage. 5. A process for managers to identify larger system problems and achieve new levels of performance. Fujio Chow, chairman of Toyota, stated the principle behind this simply and eloquently when he said, "The soul of Toyota production system is a principle called Kaizen. Its essence is the notion that engineers, managers, and line workers collaborate continually to systemize production tasks and identify incremental changes to get work more smoothly." The 5-step process seems simple enough, and it is hard to imagine anyone objecting to the notion that we want to improve at every level and then learn from past mistakes. Unfortunately, most of the companies we work with outside Toyota do not have the consistent improvement, even through the opportunities for improvement are abound. The common one-week Kaizen workshop has become popular because there is such a large impact, mainly just cleaning up the chaos. Tools out of place, lots of extra materials sitting here and there, every worker doing the job differently, equipment breaking down routinely, quality problems that go undetected until final inspection, and supervisors who do not know where to begin in prioritizing problems to solve. The underlying problem is that the culture is working against systematic problem solving at the point of attack, the actual process where the problems are occurring. We have established layers and layers of management, procedures, metrics, and general bureaucracy that seem to be designed to isolate those responsibilities for improving the processes, managers and engineers, from the actual problems. So that's what we call the silo effect, where it has to go from one department to the next department to actually fix it. So that's what all of us need to support everybody out there to make sure that we can get these problems solved.